Hello student, let's start with the subject engineering metrology. I think last time we learned introduction of metrology. What is metrology? Today we will discuss following topics, that is scope of metrology, objectives of metrology, inspection, need of inspection. Now come for the first topic, that is scope of metrology. In that, first is manufacturing. If you want to manufacture various instrument and the parts of the component, that time concept of metrology is applicable. Second is range and capabilities. If you want to measure manufactured parts or the component, you have to select range and capability of the instrument. That time concept of metrology is applicable. Third is calibration. Metrology is used to calibrate measuring instrument. That's why if you take number of scale and measure the drawn line on drawing sheet, that time it shows same reading. Fourth, method of measurement. Metrology is concerned with different method of measurement. For example, if you want to measure line, you will use scale. If you want to measure the diameter of cylinder, you will use vernier caliper or micrometer. Fifth, preparation of design and drawing. For preparing design and drawing of the component and the measuring instrument, concept of metrology is applicable. Next topic is objectives of metrology. First objective is to achieve and maintain the standards. Second is to find the different source of error while manufacturing the components and instrument. Third is to have a good accuracy and precision for manufacturing component. Fourth is to enhance the customer satisfaction by providing good quality product. Last, to achieve interchangeability of the parts. Now, in that, one of the word, that is interchangeability, is new for you. Now, what do you mean by interchangeability? I'll take one of the example. If I want to manufacture 100 parts of the hole and 100 parts of the shaft, it means total 200 parts I have to manufacture. If someone told me to check the entire 200 parts, it won't be possible for me to check each and every parts by using either micrometer or vernier caliper. That is more time consuming process. At that time, what I can do, I can randomly pick one hole and randomly pick one shaft. If they both are assembled with each other, both the parts will going to accept. If both the parts are not going to assemble with each other, I'll check it by using one of the instrument. Such kind of concept will come under interchangeability. Because of interchangeability, we can save our time and money. Next topic is inspection. Now, inspection is the act of checking all materials, product or the parts of the component produced at various stages during entire production activity. It's an act of checking. See, word is checking, most important. Act of checking of all materials, then product and the parts of the component produced at various stage during entire production activity. Basically, inspection means checking of raw material, manufactured parts and final component. Now why you want to check the raw material? Because raw material coming from the vendor may have crack. If such material is used to manufacture the component, the product will be defective. That time the entire money and time will waste. So you have to check the raw material before use it for manufacturing the component. Second, after every process of manufacturing, you have to inspect and check the part that whether it is manufactured as per design and as per drawing or not. Otherwise, the entire money and the time invested for manufacturing that component will be waste. And last, before packaging and dispatching the final product, you have to inspect that whether it is work as per desired function and efficiency or not. If it is work properly, you can pack it and dispatch to the market. Now next topic is needs of inspection. Now first need of inspection is to detect faulty product. If the product is faulty, while inspecting the raw material, manufacturing component or finished good, you can identify it and separate it from the good product, so that defective product will not dispatch to the market and customer complaint will reduced, which will definitely increase the efficiency and the profit of the company. Second is to reduce the field complaint. It helps to coordinate the function of various departments of organization such as purchase, production, quality control and sales. Third is save money. It find out and remove the defective products from entire lot of products manufactured. Therefore, only non-defective product will be available in a market, which results in customer satisfaction about quality product and goodwill of the organization. Fourth, to achieve interchangeability. Because of inspection, we can achieve the interchangeability. In the previous slide, I think we learned what do you mean by interchangeability. And last is to develop the reputation. If better quality product will be dispatched to the market, customer will satisfied. As the customer will satisfy, it will help to growth of the organization or to develop the reputation of the organization. In the next lecture, we will learn accuracy and precision and various definitions regarding metrology.